Hello guys, today I want to do a simple tutorial on how to group numerical values just in case you want to do segmentation or grouping. The example we're considering today is for an age variable where we want to group the different ages based on certain age group. Let me begin by removing. First off, I want to make sure that I'm seeing for entire data set, and then I want to remove all empties. Okay, and to now create that particular column that's going to be our age group, we'll go to the add column section and we'll select conditional column, and here we are going to give the conditions. Let's call it age group. We're going to give the conditions that we want for our age. We want to say, now when you're setting this, especially with numerical columns, you want to do it within a range. So maybe you want to say above 75 should be this, which is what we want to do. Then between 50 and 75 should be this. You would have to do it chronologically, but in a descending manner, with the highest value starting and then you go down the order. So we want to say if driver's age is greater than or equal to 75, then let's call the person elderly. If driver age is greater than or equal to 50, then call the person older adult. If driver age is greater than or equal to 35, call the person middle aged. If driver age is greater than or equal to 20, call the person young adult. Otherwise, so I don't want this, right? Otherwise should just be whatever is less than 20, we'll call them underage. I can delete this and just call whatever is left, say underaged. And if I do this, create my new variable, and let's just simply compare to, okay, we can't do that. Click move. Let's move to beginning, and then since that's closer to where the ages are, so we can see our different ages: 20 young adult, 40 middle aged,